So welcome back everybody, day 2, and it's tabletop, and this is all for the core, so your abdominals. So a little bit of abdominal work today, and I've got a rolled up towel. Well, it's not rolled up yet, I'm going to roll it up now. So I'm going to fold it over in half and then again, and I'm just going to prop that down here so that when I lie down, I'm just lifting my head up ever so slightly, so that my chin isn't dropped back and my chin isn't then dropped all the way forward. So your feet are hip distance apart. Let's just go through a few little top tips before we start the exercise. Find your neutral spine. So how we did that yesterday, we apply it as well on the floor. So you're rocking your pelvis forward and back. You're doing in that position C and then your position A, and you want to find point B. So that point B is when your belly button and your spine are really trying to connect together and your lower back is onto the floor. You're squeezing your bottom ever so slightly, but you're kind of not tilting the hips up too much. You want a nice kind of line from the head all the way down. So the first point is taking the arms out wide, relaxing in the shoulders. Belly nice and braced, and you're just going to slide one leg away and then back in and slide the other leg away and back in. Now this is the easiest option for tabletop. You're keeping your hips nice and square, you're engaging the abdominals, and you're just sliding the leg away in controlled movements. And this is lovely just to begin with, just to warm us up into a nice tabletop position. The next level will be, now you can stay with this position when we move on to a little bit of a sequencing. Or else, if you'd like to progress, you start to lift the leg up and then take it down and then lift the other leg up. What you want to try and do is make sure that the knee doesn't come all the way forward. So for that, I just prop my hands out. Once the knee touches the palm of the hand, it's above the hip. And again, this is your next progression. So at any time, you come back to this. And again, you take it as slow or as fast as you feel you'd like to go. We'll do a couple more here, and again making sure the belly button stays nice and braced. And then lift the other leg up, next progression, and then the other leg comes up. You take that foot down and lower it down. Again, so you can really feel the core, the abdominals, the tummy, trying to really keep you nice and still and protecting the spine. So it switches on, so it's really strengthening the abdominals, and also the back is protected. And the breathing. So you do the breath as you wish, as long as your breathing is going. Lovely. One more. And then the next level, leave the legs up in tabletop. One, and then the other one. And then you're just going to tap the toe down, alternating. Again, it's quite strong for the lower back. You're really having to keep the shoulders down. You're having to breathe. And again, you're really controlling these moves. So do a few more of these, warming us up, keeping our knees above the hips and your legs with an imaginary tray on it, full of peppermint tea, smoothie, lovely nice juices. And then the next level is extending the whole leg away. Oh, now you can feel after doing a few of these already, it kicks in. So we'll just do a couple more for me to show you. And bring the knees in to release it off. So you can either just stop there, or if you'd like to come along and join in for these next moves, we're going to do about 16, 18 repetitions. I'm rubbish at counting. I will try of each of those moves, and you kind of come back to the easier version if you need to. Rewind, watch what they are again, so you might need to pause me, watch what they are again and join in, or else let's go. So about 16 repetitions of each. Again, getting on neutral spine. Tipping the hips forward and back. And so we're going to add some arms here. So we're going to lift the legs up, then the other leg comes to meet it. Good, so we're just going to do a tap down and hold, lower and lift. So again, if you can, really think about the belly nice and braced here and lower the leg down. Just simple taps. Good, give me 8 more. 7, 6, so your arms are nice and controlled. 4, tapping the toe away so you're not just dropping the foot down here. Ooh, 4 more. 3, 2. Come on, we can. We're extending the arm and the leg this time. Same arm to leg and extend. Extend the arm and leg away. Bringing it back in. Nice and controlled here. And again. I'll give you a breather in a minute. So we're going to do 8 more. Take a rest if you need to, and then join in when you're ready. Lower back, pressed into the mat. Belly's nice and braced. 4 more. 3, 2. Last time. Fantastic. Fantastic. Give yourself a little knee circle so you can circle the knees round and then round again. And then I'm just going to finish off with a nice little fast, we call it a single leg stretch, to finish off. And then you can repeat all this again. And I'm going to lift the head and shoulders off the floor. I'm going to start in this position by really pulling in that knee, and I'm extending the other leg. I'm being powerful and strong in these legs. And switch. So you want to pull on the knee and switch and hold. Good. And switch. So again, you can keep the head to the floor. You can keep the knee bent if you need to, but make sure you're really hugging that knee in as you extend. To progress it, you might want to kind of twist the shoulder to the opposite knee. Take everything at your own level. Should we do 8? I was just about to say 80. Let's do 20 fast to finish. Let's go. Give me 1, 2. 13, 14, I'm counting. 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh, wonderful, wonderful. So, full leg, body stretch. Reach the arms and the legs away. Nice stretch here. Re-stretching out the abdominals. And breathe. Inhaling. Exhaling out. And again, inhale. Exhale out. Fantastic. Bring the arms down. Bring your knee into your chest and just take behind the knee and slowly roll yourselves up. Fantastic. So that was the tabletop. That was me, Alison, that did it with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Post in the group when you've done. Repeat it again. Take your time if you need to. Build up maybe. If you're a beginner to Pilates, build up to the single leg stretch. It's quite an advanced move. But please enjoy it. I hope you learnt something from today and have a super day. Bye for now.